What's shaking in the crypto world? Bitcoin Bulletin is live, and we've got a fire hose of updates that you absolutely cannot miss. The market is moving at warp speed, and if you blink, you'll miss the next big play. Today, we're kicking things off with a major story from Tether. Rumors were flying that Tether was dumping its Bitcoin, but CEO Paolo Ardoino is setting the record straight in a big way. We're talking about their strategy, their holdings, and why they're doubling down on Bitcoin, gold, and even land. Next up, we're diving into the world of cloud mining. If you've ever wondered about getting into Bitcoin or XMR mining without breaking the bank on expensive hardware, this is for you. We're looking at how platforms like Hashj are making daily income a reality for miners, even for those just starting out. Is this the future of accessible crypto mining? Then, we pivot to a massive financial move coming out of Asia. The venture capital firm Sora Ventures is launching an absolutely colossal $1 billion Bitcoin Treasury fund. This isn't just about individual companies. It's a strategic play to accelerate Bitcoin adoption as a reserve asset across the continent. We'll unpack what this means for the global crypto landscape. And finally, we're wrapping up with a look at how Bitcoin mining itself is evolving, focusing on the potential for daily income generation. We've got a packed show, so buckle up. If you're getting value from this, do yourself a favor and smash that like button, subscribe to Bitcoin Bulletin, and hit the notification bell so you're always in the loop. Tether shoots down sell-off rumors. The crypto world was buzzing with speculation. Was Tether, the giant behind the USDT stablecoin, secretly offloading its massive Bitcoin holdings? Rumors, fueled by a YouTuber's interpretation of quarterly attestations, suggested a significant drop in Tether's BTC reserves. This sparked panic across crypto Twitter, with many fearing a major sell-off was underway. However, Tether CEO Paolo Ardoino quickly stepped in to quell the FUD. He flatly denied any Bitcoin sales, explaining that the perceived decrease was due to a strategic reallocation of nearly 20,000 BTC to 21 Capital, XXI, a new Bitcoin-native financial platform led by Jack Mallers. This move, he clarified, actually represented an increase in Tether's net holdings when accounted for properly. Samson Moe, CEO of Jan3, corroborated Ardoino's explanation, highlighting that Tether remains one of the largest institutional Bitcoin holders, with over 100,521 BTC currently in its reserves. Tether's strategy is evolving beyond traditional bonds. They are actively diversifying into hard assets like Bitcoin, gold, and land, viewing them as hedges against a darkening global economic outlook and a weakening dollar. This diversification strategy is echoed by El Salvador, which recently made its first gold purchase since 1990, alongside its existing Bitcoin holdings. The market reacted positively to Tether's clarification, with Bitcoin's price seeing a notable surge, reinforcing confidence in the stablecoin issuer's long-term Bitcoin strategy and its role in seeding new Bitcoin infrastructure. Don't go anywhere, because the implications of Tether's asset diversification are huge. Next, we're exploring a new frontier in crypto, cloud mining, and how platforms like Hashj are making daily Bitcoin and XMR income a reality. Hashj revolutionizes crypto mining with daily income potential. Is the dream of mining Bitcoin and Monero, XMR, without massive upfront hardware costs finally a reality? Cloud mining services like Hashj are emerging as a game changer, offering a lucrative path for both new and experienced investors to generate daily income. Unlike traditional mining that requires significant investment in specialized equipment, electricity, and cooling, cloud mining allows users to rent hashing power from data centers. Hashj simplifies this process, enabling anyone to become a miner of Bitcoin or XMR without needing deep technical expertise. Users can create a free account, invest, and start earning daily payouts, effectively democratizing the mining process. While no mining is entirely free, Hashj offers a low entry barrier compared to purchasing physical mining machines, coupled with professional configurations, stable hash power, and 24/7 monitoring. The platform claims daily earnings of up to $13,500, showcasing the profitability of cloud mining when utilizing the right service. Hashj stands out by offering proven daily earnings, an easy-to-use interface, a wide choice of cryptocurrencies for mining, including Bitcoin and XMR, and robust security measures. This approach allows individuals to participate in the crypto market and build wealth without the technical hurdles and capital expenditure of traditional mining, making it an attractive option for financial liberation in the digital era. This is a major shift in how people can access crypto profits. Prepare yourself for the next story. Sora Ventures is launching a massive $1 billion Bitcoin Treasury fund, and it's set to reshape Asia's crypto landscape. Asia's crypto power play. Sora Ventures launches $1 billion Bitcoin Treasury fund. Get ready, because Asia is making a monumental statement in the Bitcoin world. Taiwan-based Sora Ventures has just unleashed Asia's first $1 billion Bitcoin Treasury fund, backed by a massive $200 million initial investment from institutional players across the region. This isn't just about a few companies holding Bitcoin on their balance sheets. Sora's fund is designed to pool institutional capital, aiming to consolidate and dramatically accelerate the adoption of Bitcoin as a corporate reserve asset throughout Asia and beyond. It's a strategic move to unify fragmented initiatives and create a powerful global network for Bitcoin adoption, challenging the dominance of U.S. firms. This fund builds on Sora's previous successes, including significant investments in companies like MetaPlanet, Moon Inc., DV8, and BitPlanet, which are already pioneers in Bitcoin treasury strategies. The rise of these digital asset treasuries, DATs, reflects a global trend. Corporations increasingly view Bitcoin not just as an investment, but as a strategic hedge against inflation and currency debasement, much like gold. In an era of unprecedented fiat money printing, companies are seeking the financial sovereignty and resilience offered by decentralized digital assets. This move by Sora Ventures legitimizes cryptocurrencies as a mainstream financial tool, potentially stabilizing markets and fostering greater transparency and liquidity in the digital asset space, especially as more crypto-friendly regulations emerge in key Asian markets. This $1 billion fund could be a massive catalyst for Bitcoin adoption in Asia. But what does this mean for the average investor and the future of mining? We've got you covered next. Bitcoin mining's daily payouts, unpacking the hashed cloud mining opportunity. Ever dreamed of earning Bitcoin or Monero, XMR, income every single day without the headache of managing your own mining rigs? Cloud mining platforms are stepping into the spotlight, and Hashj is making waves by promising consistent daily returns. Forget the thousands of dollars needed for specialized hardware, electricity, and cooling. Cloud mining, as facilitated by platforms like Hashj, allows you to rent hashing power from secure data centers. This means you can participate in mining, whether it's for Bitcoin or privacy-focused XMR, without needing advanced technical skills. You simply sign up, invest in a mining contract, and start receiving daily payouts. Hashj highlights a potential daily income of $13,500, illustrating the significant profit potential available through this model. Hashj differentiates itself by offering a user-friendly interface, transparent and predictable earnings, and a variety of mining options. They emphasize stability and scalability, catering to both small and large investors. This approach democratizes mining, making it accessible to a broader audience eager to build wealth in the digital era. While traditional solo mining becomes increasingly difficult for the average person, cloud mining platforms like Hashj are leveling the playing field, offering a streamlined and potentially profitable way to engage with cryptocurrency mining. This is a massive development for accessibility in crypto mining. Don't miss our lightning round recap and the full call to action coming up next. And that's a wrap on today's Bitcoin Bulletin. We saw Tether deny Bitcoin's sell-off rumors and double down on hard assets. Hashj is making daily crypto mining income a reality for everyone. Sora Ventures just launched a massive $1 billion Bitcoin treasury fund for Asia, and we've explored the evolving landscape of Bitcoin mining. If you found this info valuable, do us a huge favor. Smash that like button, subscribe to Bitcoin Bulletin if you haven't already, ring that notification bell so you never miss an update, and share this video with a friend who needs to stay in the know. You can also follow us on all our social channels for even more real-time updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.